Hi and welcome to our newest video about LVGL. LVGL is an open source embedded graphical library designed for lightweight and efficient UI rendering on MCUs, MPUs or embedded systems like the F&S modules. The UI handles rendering through objects where each element, like labels, buttons or charts, is structured with styles, event handlers and animations, so you can fully customize your look and feel. Rendering in LVGL follows a drawn buffer mechanism, which means every element is drawn into a buffer spaced in the DRAM before sending it to the display. You can decide if you want to do a full or a partial rendering. With partial rendering, you can significantly improve the efficiency, especially on low power devices. So let's take a look at some use cases for LVGL. You can see here a demonstrator of a PV tracker with a Pico-Core module based on the iMix93, a 10-inch LVDS display and a PV system mounted on a motor. This demonstrator uses a Wayland driver with Wayland Weston as compositor. This is basic on our Linux boards. This allows LVGL to render directly into a Wayland surface. You can see here a tracking dashboard with an interactive UI, where you can switch between the months. The UI features widgets like lines, circles, labels, buttons and charts. For example, you can press here. The custom navigation bar pops up here. You can switch between different screens, which is implemented through a function pointer and buttons. You can see here also some implementation of charts and lines. The LVGL timer drives a periodic update every 2 seconds, which triggers with I2C commands and PCA that generates a PWM signal. With this PWM signal, the motor of the PV system is driven. A second possible use case could be a medical HMI application, which you can see here running on a 7-inch LVDS display and an F&S OSM module. This demonstration shows 3 real-time charts with medical data and the ability to pause every one separately and also continue them. On the second page, you have an overview of the patient data and their records. You can also click on details when you have selecting a patient, which shows every detail on a new page. Also, what you can see here is our CPU RAM usage is very low, and because of this, the temperature of the module itself is also really low. As you can see, LVGL is a perfect tool for designing an UI. Thanks for watching and see you in one of our next videos.